Hi friends, this lesson is from Module 6, Lesson 4. You know what I was thinking tonight at dinner about how we've been working with such big numbers. But you know what? Now that you're in first grade and you're almost going to be a second grader, instead of saying really big numbers, we can describe them in different ways. Our learning goal for today says, I can write two-digit numbers to 100 in addition sentences with tens and ones. Now, we've been doing this all along, but just in case you weren't sure, instead of saying really big numbers, we can call them two-digit numbers. Now, two-digit numbers are numbers that have tens and ones. So if we have a number and it has a digit in the 10 spot and a digit in the 1 spot, that's a two-digit number. Now, we're getting into these really large two-digit numbers. They're going to go all the way up to 100 as a matter of fact. Today we're going to practice writing addition sentences with the tens and the ones. We did a little bit of this yesterday, but today this is going to be our big focus. So here we go. I went outside with Miles and caught all these fireflies. Wow, there's so many in those jars. Now each of the jars is a group of tens, and then of course the ones still flying around are the ones. Can you go ahead and count and see how many groups of tens I have? Good. Did you say 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Yeah, I have 7 tens. And how many ones? That's right, 4. I could write an addition sentence that said 7 tens plus 4 ones equals 74. Now, what we're going to practice today is doing that, but then also writing them out the regular way. So that's the say 10 way. The regular way would be, well, 7 tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 4 ones is just 4. So I could also say 70 and 4 are the two parts. And when I put them together, they equal 74. My number sentence would be 70 plus 4 equals 74. Do you see how I could describe the numbers and using addition sentences with the tens and the ones? And I could do it in two different ways. I could do it the say 10 way, and I could also do it just the regular way. You'll also notice I threw in one of my favorite math tools just to help remind myself of the different parts. There's our friend the number bond. Hey, number bond, it's been a while. I've missed you. Okay, let's try another one. So then Miles and I went to a barn, or a big farm, and we saw all these barns filled with chickens. Now each barn has 10 chickens, and then there are a couple that were just hanging out. Those are the ones. Can you go ahead and count to see how many groups of tens there are? Did you say 9? Oh, excellent job. I can see there's a 5 group in a row, plus 4 more, that's 9. So there's 9 tens, and how many ones? Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 9 tens plus 5 ones, and that's going to equal 95. If I wanted to go ahead and say that the regular way, I could start by putting it in a number bond. I'm going to start by saying the 10 part. So if I have 9 tens, how can I say 9 tens the regular way? Yeah, 90. If I wasn't sure, I could tap on each of the barns and count up by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Boom. And then how many ones did I have? That's right, 5. Again, if I wasn't sure, I could just count those 1 chickens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfecto. Now 90 plus 5 is 95. What addition sentence could I write using all the numbers in that number bond? Yeah, I know, there are lots of options. I wrote 90 plus 5 equals 95. Okay, friend, it's your turn. Can you go get your dry erase board and your marker or your math journal? Press pause until you're ready and then press play when you're good to go. Okay, do you have all your good materials? Oh, good, because I really want you to be able to practice. All right, this time I'm going to use 10 towers and then the ones. Can you go ahead and press pause while you write down a number sentence that has it the say 10 way? Can you say blank tens plus blank ones and then equals the whole amount? Go ahead and press play when you're ready. Okay, so I counted up my tens. It looked like I had 5 tens and then 9 ones to equal 59. Is that what you put? Oh, good. One way you could double check the answer is just by counting by tens and then counting up to ones. So like I wasn't sure, so I said 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then after I tapped on the tens, I tapped on the ones. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. All right, go ahead and draw a number bond on your dry erase board or your math journal, and then fill it in with the two different parts. This time I want you to fill them in the say the regular way, not the say 10 way. I'm going to give you a hint. The first part is 50. Can you fill in the rest of the number bond? Oh, good job. So 9 would be the other part, and then 50 plus 9 is, yep, 59. Now, can you go ahead and press pause while you write an addition sentence showing adding those two parts together to equal the whole amount? Okay, you're ready? Do you have your addition sentence good? Okay, so I added the two parts to say 50 plus 9 equals 59. All right, let's try another one. Go ahead and erase your board or find a new spot in your math journal. Okay, we're going to start by writing a number sentence using the tens and the ones. So we're going to write a number sentence to say 10 way. So add up all the tens and then add up all the ones to find the whole amount. Ready to check your good work? Okay, so I saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens and, ooh, how many ones? I don't remember, but it did equal 73. So how many ones did I have? Yeah, just 3 ones. Because 70 plus 3 ones is 73. Okay, now I need to fill in that good number bond with the two parts and the whole amount. What would I put in as the two parts? Yeah, the tens and the ones. So in the first circle, in the first part, I'm going to write 70 because that's the tens. The other one, I'm going to write the ones, 3. I'm going to put them together for the whole amount as 73. Okay, friends, I'm going to go ahead and have you write a number sentence, filling it in, and then finding the good answer for the whole amount. Can you go ahead and press pause while you do that good work and then press play to check yourself? Okay, you wrote out a number sentence just like I did. Blank tens plus blank ones equals the answer. Oh, good. Did you say 4 tens and 5 ones? Oh, good job. And what was the whole amount? Yeah, 45. Can you go ahead and put that number sentence into that number bond the regular way? And then press play to check yourself? Okay, ready? So the two parts would be 40 and 5, and I put them together, they make 45. Awesome. We did a lot of really good working. Now our learning goal said I can write two-digit numbers to 10 or to 100 in addition sentence with tens and ones. And that's exactly what we've been doing. Don't forget, two-digit numbers are just a fancy way of saying numbers that have tens and ones. You know, those really, really big numbers that we've been working with. Okay, friend, it's your turn. What I would like you to do is I want you to go ahead and look at that picture of the 10 towers and the ones. I need you to go ahead and seesaw this to your teacher, and you're going to write down, you're going to fill in the answers for blank tens plus blank ones and then equals the whole amount. Then, can you turn that into the regular way and put it into the number bond? All right, so you should have a number sentence, the say 10 way, and then the number bond all filled in with the different parts. Good luck, friends.